nature has boundaries and nature has thresholds. And if we push those thresholds, nature is going to react. And we've seen it in the zoonotic disease that spread in the COVID era, and we've also seen it in the biodiversity loss that is happening, as well as the climate crisis that we all collectively face. Secondly, there is also a message of hope. And the message of hope is that there is a different pathway possible. The green pathway or the green recovery that we all talk about is also possible, and the world has seen that during the COVID era. So I think this, as I said, the decade of ecosystem restoration starting on June 5th could not have come at a better time. And it is a signal for the world to take that pathway of green recovery. So we would be very, very glad that Pakistan would be in the center of that message to go across the world of a green future for the world. And I say this because the year 2020, which is the year that we just lived through, was supposed to be a super year for nature, because we had the COP, the Glasgow COP on climate change happening with the Paris Agreement coming into place. We had the biodiversity COP happening in Beijing with in China with the Aichi targets finishing off and then the new targets being negotiated. And we had the World Congress of the IUCN planned for 2020. All three of these meetings are now planned for 2021. So we all hope that this is going to be that super year for nature, in which we are also going to be in the middle of it on June 5th by initiating the decade of ecosystem restoration. And I'm glad that Pakistan is already on that pathway of green recovery. We decided as a country and as a political government that there is, if Pakistan is to face up to the challenges, including the climate challenge that we face in Pakistan, we have to rely on nature-based solutions. And so we took up that mantle in that billion tree tsunami project in one of our provinces, KP province, which was very successful. And it is nature-based solutions that we are focusing on as we go into the green recovery. It was part of our green stimulus, which was announced in the COVID era by our Prime Minister Imran Khan, who put his faith into nature. And he put his faith into a recovery based on two big initiatives. One is the 10 billion tree tsunami, which is employing thousands of people, and it is resetting our relationship with nature. And he put his faith into the protected area initiative, which is again an initiative which we announced during the COVID era. And we have been expanding our protected area, our national parks, nature reserves all over Pakistan. Just yesterday, I was with the Prime Minister when we announced 2 new national parks covering an area of 30,000 acres in the province of Punjab. And this shows that Pakistan is committed to this pathway. And we are not just talking, but we are trying to walk the talk also in Pakistan. Secondly, the associated issue with nature-based recovery is that we need to develop a financing framework which can help this ecosystem restoration decade. And that financing framework has to be different from the framework of the last decade. The framework of the last decade will not work in this next decade of ecosystem restoration. So we are already again working at a global level on different ideas, including with UNEP and the World Bank, on natural capital valuation, on trying to value nature properly. And we will only protect this nature if we can value it properly, and to integrate that value into mainstream decision making. Pakistan is also a country which is about to launch its first green bond in the market to finance our renewable energy transition. This €500 bond is going to be launched by WAPDA as a green bond. We are also a country which is trying to pilot a nature bond, which can link the retirement of sovereign debt with quantifiable nature performance. So, as I said, the framework of the last decade has to change, the financing framework has to change if the decade of ecosystem restoration has to be successful. So we are very happy to be at the center of it and to be very vocal about it as a strong voice for this decade of ecosystem restoration. So I look forward to working with UNEP, and we look forward to having Inger, who is not only a friend of Pakistan but also a personal friend, to be in Pakistan on 5th of June when we launch this decade for ecosystem restoration. And we look forward to taking this very strong message to the world, which needs this message right now, that there is no future without ecosystem restoration. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर आज़म के मुशीर बराए माहौलियाती तब्दीली मलिक अमीन असलम इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि मौजूदा हुकूमत माहौलियात के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए इंतहाई संजीदा इक़दाम कर रही है। 1 बिलियन के बाद अब 10 बिलियन सुनामी शजरकारी मनसूबे पर अमल पैरा है। उन्होंने कहा कि हमें उम्मीद है कि 2021 कुदरती माहौल को मज़ीद बेहतर बनाने के लिए अच्छा साल साबित होगा।